Woo. Let's go.
Said I'm back, yeah you right. Go to sleep in the morning, wake at night. Said I'm back, yeah you right. Go to sleep in the morning, wake at night. I ain't got no time to waste. I've been wasted praying for some light to break. But the days in twilight, I'm wide awake. Getting faded, one butterfly, pull the iron out the maiden. I ain't got no time to waste. I've been wasted praying for some light to break. But the days in twilight, I'm wide awake. Getting faded, one butterfly, pull the iron out the maiden. My life story, just the irony of blending in. A black cowboy who's really just an indigent. Outcast citizen, out for cash and dividends. Bread, cheese, and bank, I'm just really trying to save my skin. Take care of her kin, plus my dearest friends, who gave me bread over bed when I had no ends, or sold a shovel when I went to dig my grave again, and asked me where my album's at and when I'll play again. I ain't got no time to waste. I've been wasted praying for some light to break, but the days in twilight I'm wide awake. Getting faded, one butterfly, pull the iron out the maiden. I ain't got no time to waste. I've been wasted praying for some light to break, but the days in twilight I'm wide awake. Getting faded, one butterfly, pull the iron out the maiden. I've been broken hearted, I'm broken hearts. Can't tell the treasure from the trash when it gets too dark. I've been torn apart, but I've been mended back with a needle and a thread and a nicotine patch. Getting clean, hoping nothing pushes me to relapse. Like watching dreams pass or chasing greener grass. You're better off crying right into that empty glass. So sick of being depressed, this shit'll make me laugh. I ain't got no time to waste. I've been
Soft production.
I'm as much the earth as rain waves a river. With the faith urgent center with the giver. True love light and bond trinity to remember. Pattern of affair to choose walking over lumber. Just a piece of the process of elimination. More than intention meant for every nation. Structure banging comic interactive connection. Beyond perspective resides the truest perception. Relative links many lights with unity. To each is the one informed truth from infinity. I'm as much I as recording in eternal reality. High wisdom is impeccable in conditionality. Only one level we share is true benevolence. Evolution's got a level of kind of resonance. Stimulate the whole entirety of the immune system. Why does the heat stay lit within and all around them? Sacredly independent, intrepid yet coexistent. Eternal life keys unlocked to the inner omnipotent. Express communication ray with the key elementary. Power of the world to each one's in fraternity. Certainly a clerk of the rapturous degree. He is a rock and rolling with them and thee, wrapped in the ascension of the light inside us. Just as is enough to be truly righteous. Trust in self, source versus trust in a feather. Emotions might as well attract our weather. So better to return the crescent frown upside down. Each owns its own royalty in the halo of a crown. All here together, overflowing inequality. In itself, knowing ours brings our clearer reality. Here is the divine enlightenmental way. Behold a key and map guiding Stargate Ray. Attempt to tell us it's all in the mind. Yeah, that's where I'll make the find. Anything's possible is a possibility. I'm capable, it's worth the responsibility. And the things I'm doing are really intend no offense. Just restating what's been written around on our fence. The journey I've been on may go beyond. Every quantum presence is supremely fond. No asylum made thou well-known vision chunk assured. Open floodgates towards our terrains to know our own rapture. Awaken a quake we are collectively make. Once a young man was born with a cursed blessing. Last name drop, I never define what that means. Just one spirit incarnate, yet always known and not alone. But small relativity, though already knew how to build a throne. rebels know with hope for transcendence of light, and after 350,000 years of revitalization's only right, I'm a highlight warrior back around to Quattro. Hey, it's nice to meet you, feel like I've known you forevermore. I remember one time riding in the car with my mom. I mentioned that I always dreamed of being a prodigy. Thought I was too old, yet I was only 16 at the time. Glad I knew how to seek, now my task was mine, honestly. What did the process put lifetime experience into this? One label legacy that leaves you in the same field of bliss, bringing back the older version of a world planned for everyone. The right way was there first, so I say we earned our decision. We have the populace with us, look at the way it was and improve it. I promote the flourishing, watching the effects residuate, lyrically interweaving everything I comprehensively know. Call to propel my presence to grow as we help guide it low. Noticing big things in the subtle sound of silence. Saw through to the world of a global epidemic we all face. Oddly enough, the Southern tonic isn't of any violence. The way they reverse engineer language is disgrace. Fed goats, ducks, and chickens daily for earning rent. Goal to inspire greatest of all time with a lyrical rant. All original flow, so you know why I persist to invent. Propelling this poetic epitome as a meditative chant. Meditate down the felt as if it already may be too late. All I thought how to channel it into the great. I have to keep my work of the meta healing strong. Feeling in my mind, the world would be long. Rest in peace to the financial monopoly game come play. Reflecting backward balance, existence all I seek. I must be only realistic for others making this way. We strive free, undone tight, to commit when I speak. Finally back on the ground with light allies all around. Sweet spot to farm, are you able to sense where from? Star maps including pathways with crystalline coordinates. Source flame attracts everything from the way it permeates. Emitting higher energy levels exerted through my own flow. Observant of structure and anatomy from outer limits grow. Stepping out of my body, motions seem rapturous. Feels as if I just studied yet I already said too much. One time I wrote down 3 big words on a blank page. Just a few scribbles, infinite, unconditional, and eternal. Somehow I came up with a word from the old tech to age. Now allow my mind to perceive everything as eternal. I feel like I've been bottled up these cases of rage for years, ready for distribution. I'm fed up with that current view of fears. Thinking they're on top until I raise my relatable voice. I'm right where I belong, just emitting light language noise. Regained from weight, yet keep lodestone to remain grounded. Secure source heat with information and knowledge rounded. I've lived a few lives and met the devil a few nights. Turned up dog, that's about height its highlights. Zero field of waving angles, wreck and roam to rely. Keys wreck 'em when opportunities are locked. Unfold quantum cogs, I'll clear zones in the sky. Rise through anonymity to cruise ways we concoct. Many years of lives spent through to make this here. Sick of fears and lies, the meta from sin is everywhere. Maybe as close as I get to hate. Sworn to impeccability, loves the reason God so great. Wearing the word's ability, receive as we give out. I choose to be my best and hurry. Eliminate darkness and watch rats and roaches scurry. Slow down to realize what I'm putting in this without swearing. My exception, force myself not to give a fuck and just pick it up. Sometimes I feel I need to fucking soar and fly. If I'm not jumped into a ditch from not taking reels. I swear my sword keeps making suns in mind's eye. Trips of lineage have to flow and feel the heels. Sometimes I want to break words and fucking scream. Cause it urges to explode or lead back up into the screen. In the land of relativity, we're equal and different as the same. All equally famous when we hold our own piece of fame. Third dimensional pressure in the same way it layers out. When age is compressed, then diamonds will form throughout. I feel all these pressures to form all these pearls. A traveling light in my avatar blending in space worlds. Honestly, this means everything to me. That's why I put it all into making reality. The truth shall make you free. We're all in this together, we all rise to get there. All lives matter, even as species, same living ocean, even the seas. Freedom's a big topic, it's worth it. Happy to elaborate for some can't. Out of poor raging Goldilocks zone, how long's our enslavement gone? Figuratively forgot about racism, heading clarity, naturally face stars and what's next. Met a few ahead of time, we stayed there to help the paradigms. All make turtle just wanted the lights. They are in between being our rights, feeling through dark night of the soul. Sometimes it's simpler when soul. So long and an unfarewell, no end in sight, just a tunnel. Making us stronger still, be our own light to get out of hell. Devotion for everyone more than me. Anarchist view of evolved equality. Regardless of our ancestors, where we, I politely suggest we craft our own policy. Figuratively forgot about racism, heading clarity, naturally face stars and what's next. Met a few ahead of time, we stayed there to help the paradigms. All make turtle just wanted the lights. They are in between being our rights, healing through dark night of the soul. Sometimes it's simpler when soul. Too many left unassaged and strife. Some are judged for the color of life. Straight white male and back it's all white. I'm stuck in black and told what's right, feels right. Really gets conflicts, crop for ages. Gotta earn that label right on my pages. Freedom bringing some kind of fight. Expressed enough to relate to ground, check what I'm found. Figuratively forgot about racism. Heading clarity, naturally face stars and what's next. Met a few ahead of time. We stayed there to help the paradigms. All Mickey Turtle just wanted the lights. Staying in between being our rights. Healing through dark night of the soul. Sometimes it's simpler when soul. Risen or prefix, don't skid in my eyes. Have some mercy on yourself, paradise. Pays off in the long run, being tempered. Ultimately, the third way keeps centered. Looking through riots like a new why. I'm still physically active, though I try. Don't win it piles like miles of swine. Negative ones pass minded other crimes. Figuratively forgot about racism. Heading clarity, naturally face stars and what's next. Met a few ahead of time. We stayed there to help the paradigm.
I'm going on a hike. Challenge like bay leaves bit. So I'm playing music because it's a bit of a safety feature. Don't know what's out here. Metaphor. Nice common path. I met who did these tracks. To get a dirt bike someday.
Val Music.
Always make sure to know which way you go, to know which way to go back. Never actually been around here. Just go over some safety features. Bring a whistle, maybe a knife. You know what the fuck you're doing. Wow. Wow. Holy shit, though, man. Yo. Fuck. There's some lives here.
I performs on the beat.
It was good to have a bush call. Just to notify the surroundings of your presence. Might save a life through.
From the underworld, coming for the underground. Motherfuckers better watch out for the male hound. I never be the motherfucking game that you walk down. Ripping up the purgatory, I do fun now. Straight from the underworld, coming for the underground. Motherfuckers better watch out for the male hound. I never be the motherfucking game that you walk down. Ripping up the purgatory, I do fun now. Minimal punishment, boy, you better recognize who you fuck around with. Only fought a couple times, I never busted any crimes, but that don't mean I won't put you in the coffin. Walking around with a noose, so a fucking 22 wanna see you as the person get the
Sure you don't go too far. Gotta go at least like half where you're gonna go, because you gotta go half back.
Wait, I think that I'm saying shit's hitting their soft spot. Hey, in the back, but we front line. Put me to the test of fucking challenge, we get all mine. Can't believe this shit's so crazy. Might as well just drive Miss Daisy. One of y'all just plain sorry. Y'all just dead cause we in your bitch place. The shots went off, did you hear that sound? One went missing, the other one found. One chopped up, but the other in the ground. If you fucking with the gang, then you fucking with the hounds. Have you heard? Shooting up, I guess it won't work. I think you're really fucking misheard. Death doesn't really occur. Disturbed in your conscience as you watch the fucking underworld turn.
Hey guys, you sound like SB. You should really hit him up. Do a feature for free. Nah, bitch. This is that UAPs. Fucking sick of you bitches making it running the stage. But guys, I really think that you should. If you ever get a chance, you think you would? Honestly, you really must have misunderstood. We only fucking with the sounds and the hounds in the woods.
Look at this rock.
Still in the quest searching. I put my best foot forward, knowing I got to scratch the surface. The eye begins to install projections on to close the curtains. Niggas ain't been carried out just yet. We fighting with
Wow.
a purpose. If I threw the talent, nigga, that would be your self-service. Never let these random standards decide what my fucking worth is. Long as I got air in my lungs, nigga, I'm fucking working. Can't get distracted, taking off my path and let it stray. Even if it don't give us one, my nigga, we gon' find a way. Gotta manifest the destiny that we was meant to see. Even when they don't, I still believe in me. Sometimes I feel like they won't feel it. Like the way I see the world, maybe I'm just different. I never really fit in. Cared about their opinion. Just to be honest with you. Maybe I'm wrong for that. I'm just being me. Let's go!
Well, between us, split the difference. Oh, I'm a dreamer, I'm a misfit, I'm just drifting. Times I feel like that's the difference. I'm too numb to find the source of my existence. Leaving town, I think about when times was different. Travel, heal me, peace and Christ is my religion. I don't listen, no, I don't feel it. I'm a dreamer, I'm a drifter, I'm just different.
Yo, old school smoke a cig on the porch. Nike flip flops and basketball shorts. 4 fingers down, leave 1 for the courts. Been on a come up, but we're coming up short. Time running out, pulling up in the fourth. Moving down to Oakland or maybe New York. Still got love for the fam up north. Stupid motherfuckers trying to run me off horse. I try to keep my family rich. Boy, I spent a lot of cash. Why next shot I'm banking on this going off the glass. Heart of a champion.
copyright.
Traveling through my rocky path. Still got questions, but no time to stop and ask. Same old rainy days could cloud your vision. But right now I'm way too lit to question how I'm living. So mind your business. Oh, I'm just tripping. I'm a drifter, double down on my decisions.
Time revealed me, timeless wisdom. I'm a dreamer, I'm a misfit, I've been drifting. World is changing, but what's the difference? numb to find the source of my existence. I'm a genius, or I'm a misfit. I'm a dreamer, I'm a drifter, I'm just different. I can't function off my prescription. Even with it, still I feel like something's missing. Leaving town, I think about when times was different.
Ooh.
Travel, heal me, chasing clouds is my religion.
Ooh.
Listen, I can feel it. I'm a dreamer, I'm a drifter, I'm just different. I don't wanna follow down the path you laid, cause the road too narrow. Sitting with an old friend reading my tarot. Came from the sun god, mother of the pharaoh. Tell me why a white face placed in the manger. Didn't Jesus say to love thy neighbor? White soldiers, brown terrorists. Trump hates Mexico, God ain't American. Arrogance annoy me, ignorance amaze me. Nation of Christians who justified slavery. I ain't really tapped into the trap shit you stupid ass been talking about lately. Make you think when you don't wanna. Your body like a drink in the cold summer. The world ain't ready yet. Maybe one day when I'm dead and I'm gone, they gon' get it then.
Ooh.
World between us, split the difference.
It's already marked.
I'm a dreamer, I'm a misfit, I'm just drifting. Times I feel like
Also, I have
the difference.
tape on me
Numb to find the source.
just in case I need to mark a path.
Leaving town, I think about when times was different. Travel, heal me, chasing clouds is my religion. I don't listen, no, I don't feel it. I'm a dreamer, I'm a drifter, I'm just different. Tell you the truth, I've seen the legacy I had. Simple the chat is my cup overrunneth. The gold is around, no surprise if I plummet. No more than gold, I go for broke up upon it. These verbal placebos are fixing my stomach like heroin addicts. To crack, I just vomit. To fight overdose, all this dope I deliver. My defense ain't one like I play for the Wizards. Jump right to build a building down and surround me. Retire my jersey above the rabbit. See the numbers don't lie, but the people do. Read between the lines and see the truth in this. I feel like Eric Wright, I'm on the coolest shit. I'm talking Jared, had no witness, foolishness. I'm back around.
Ooh.
You got me sitting, call me Harvey Nichols like I two sides, y'all. So y'all rather die as a legend than live in irrelevant. So y'all rather die as a legend than live in irrelevant. And then when I'm gone, will they remember me? I'm giving my all when you asking to please. I pray to the Lord like Father, help me please. Don't let me fade into obscurity. This life is a game and I play it well. I'm revered for my art like Orson Welles. Like I'm fading the game like Carl Tell. Quick poor pro, which I know about it, know my
These trees definitely look Lemurian.
It's a cruel world, women are stipulations. I'ma stand my ground, I'm a strong with kindness. No breeze of that, they breathe it back. They can't get enough, they wanna take it from me. Get it like compassion when you're down and out. There's no help in hand, but I don't understand. I can't comprehend it. Can't think it. I feel alone with this paranoid. This shit, calm down, my nigga, take it easy. Enjoy your life, it ain't that bad. You got the gift of gas, you better count your blessings. Shit, I'm always stressed. Fuck being complacent. Trying to murder shit, I can't crystal naked. I'm addicted alone, the realistic fashion. But they want me to take, try to appease the man.
Ooh.
I don't relate to it. I'm isolated with the cabin fever. I ain't made this shit for you to dance to. It's praying music, so get loud, my nigga. What's progression when you're looking at stuff? Like everything is looking up and you're stick around, man. I don't want no crown and I don't need no power. Fuck the stone and you judge the front. You ain't heard most keys when they head cut off, but that ain't for fame, and they got something to me. I'm about to let the fire, that's certainly and they're loud. Y'all rather die as a legend than live in irrelevant. What you telling them? Y'all rather die as a legend than live in irrelevant. Like man, when I'm gone, they remember me. I gave them my all with this second to please. I pray to the Lord and Father, help me please. Don't let me fade into obscurity. See, say I'd rather die as a legend than live in irrelevant. What you telling them? Say I'd rather die as a legend than live in irrelevant. Like man, when I'm gone, will they remember me? I gave them my all with this second to please. I pray to the Lord and Father, help me please. Don't let me fade into obscurity. Nigga, they don't really want to fabricate. They don't want you to be honest, breaking off the race. With the planetary coming, taking off the case. And meditate every woman that got to make it up. Thank you. We can resolve it when I find my case. Paint the picture presented, intimidation intended. Never pretended to be more than what I am. I got a plan, motherfucker. Give me a minute to think. So y'all rather die as a legend than live in irrelevant. What you telling them? So y'all rather die as a legend than live in irrelevant. Like man, when I'm done, will they remember me? I give them my all with this package, please. I pray to the Lord and Father, help me please. Don't let me fade into obscurity. Knowledge, nigga.
chicken. It's got a nigga tripping. Stress for a living. The pressure I can feel it. The sky ain't the limit. I'm reaching through the ceiling. Hard to keep composure when your heart ain't even in it. Tell me how you keep 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 your shit together when everything's falling apart. God, my mind is running in circles constantly. Cause got to be the opposite of positive philosophy. My head's still in the clouds, looking at stars, that's astronomy. While pondering powerful possibilities of beautiful soliloquies. The characteristic traits of the group. Save me a place and a plate and I'll save grace while you save face. Clapping out of time to please peace for your saving grace. These niggas talking beef but never speak when we raise the stakes. We cease to bring the heat and keep it moving like roller skates. Infected by as well as JFK in the motorcade. I cascade over the grass, known by the flagpole. Aimed at the moving target, hit the miss, at least I stop my eternal black chicken. It got a nigga tripping, stress for a living. The pressure I can feel it.
Woo woo.
I'm reaching through the ceiling. Hard to keep composure when your heart ain't even in it. Tell me how you keep 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 your shit together when everything's falling apart. Girl, ain't one thing, it's always something, ain't it? They gon' complain about the picture irregardless of who painted it. The color competition and the hue becomes irrelevant. Could make a masterpiece, but they gon' point out the flaws. Apply to this art and tell you how to do your job. Critics and heretics are one and the same, they hypocrites. People love giving opinions as soon as you give it to them. Tune it out, I'm not attentive, no I wasn't listening. Thinking you could do it better, well go ahead and do it then. Once you fail, come back and tell me how that feel. These niggas blind to the signs, yeah they might need braille. And they gon' fold under the pressure, that ain't hard. My eternal clock ticking, it's got a nigga tripping. Stress for a living, the pressure I can feel it. The sky ain't the limit, I'm reaching through the ceiling. Hard to keep composure when your heart ain't even in it. Tell me how you keep 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 your shit together when everything's falling apart, God. I'm in that zone, bro. I feel like the kid that told you shows them more than twice. It's lightning strike, the whip aside and step aside. I feel like I'm in some late runs. Pop both kills trying to find my name. The red and blue is what the shit is. Keep on tripping, couple millions, quote the mocking way. The king is coming, that's the bond in the game. And I know it got me, that's some real intuition. I'm still stressing, trying to deal with my issues. Put it to the side when I ride by, Set it so high, I'm sky. Looking at the ground when I reflex, murdering that beat with a reflex. So deep, but I digress. My guess with a high step, like a high. My 16, 17 look like 16, nothing. You think I Many buggy, why they think it wasn't good? It's like a wing and they even want it. I'm a flag on the wall. I bet people never think behind the things I be a course. You think I'll never be able to cut this and 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 all of these bonus and brothers that carry the context and conquest I conquer. They cannot confuse what I do with the average shit. I don't even wanna hold up on shit. I don't even wanna turn up on messenger. Nowadays they take it out to the messenger. Shoot at me, I'm going out like nothing and just make a massive mission massacre. And these niggas son that they first name is Monica. Lead by example, they all fit the follow. Yo, I pick a canvas with beautiful colors, bro. I'm making nothing to practice and cover, so you pay attention, bitch, don't be so cumbersome. I'm in and out of these runs like I ever said. I gotta get up and go just like other day. I gotta find me a way to support them. Ain't never compete with these niggas, I don't. I can't never forget what I did, what I overcame. I'ma do me while they all overcompensate. I'm just focused trying to stay in the separate lane. Hey, these nigga actor, or different actors, and then you actors us. Talking that loud shit, knowing that well, it's over the actors us. We don't allow it, over the flower, keep it from linemen, rock.
Is that it? Pulling out that Gaia GPS.
Until the day I die, put it all on me.
I go that way.
Never wanna live a lie. I'm sorry,
Wow.
didn't mean to let you go.
See where I just went?
Being honest was the hardest thing I've
Hold
ever
on.
known. And I'm sad here by myself. Feels like I'm going through hell. I'm sorry, so sorry. I'm sorry.
It's only like 2 miles.
Maybe it was you who was in the way. I was just praying for a better day. They say time
We're
will
that
always
way.
take away the pain.
See?
This is gonna haunt me until the day I die.
Easy.
Put it all
It's a nice
on
view
me.
spot.
Never wanna live a lie.
Safe.
Oh, I'm sorry. Didn't mean to let
Woo!
Didn't mean to let you go. From being honest was the hardest thing I've ever known. And I'm sad here by myself. Feel like I'm going through hell.
What do you mean? Bruh. Bro. Why is there no music? Holy fuck.
I'm sorry, so sorry. I'm sorry. I'm sorry.
Jessica.
The sun sets over the pyramid to Egypt. The face of the great sphinx opens. The entrance to the halls of a minty. The root greets me. My soul enters the solar bowl. Spiritual force is swimming through another world. Hieroglyphic text matches ancient writings of the Mayans and Aztecs. I manipulate the weather like the Hall Project. Vibrational sounds protect etheric light. Concepts of Anunnaki insight. More kinetic surround the sacred temple of thieves. Like Muslim faces the east, I was mummified within. I go releasing in my soul unleashed throughout the universe. The songs and mystery of the mysterium. Through I begin shamanism, mysticism, old ancient wisdom. But take you to another level. I comprehend you another level. I comprehend you.
Woo!
Sacred sound at a high top, open a heart shock, rock. My spirit self will prosper, no less than death in conquer. The ego within us is trying to begin to see through the veil of my God. Welcome to Neophytes, birth into newness of life. And like the apostle Paul, now you've been blinded by brightness of light. Awakened and given new sight, radiant, shining like Christ. Meditation to the sky, apply the chariots, taking flight, overconnected, protected by the hand of the divine. Precept upon each precept and then line upon each line, and you're connected. Neglected, isolated by design. It's so we can get you for the good of mankind. Signs of the time,
So that's what I put down before. Knew it.
by avenging angels who keep the unworthy from entering paradise.
In the bottomless depths, the manure in the sewer like God's effects go through a renewal and maneuver my consciousness to every octave to observe its operance. The negative axis is the head of Baphomet, son the law of karma, and the consequence and in the great opposites that contradict till they complement, transcending common sense of accomplishments. Don't place us on a plateau, for we stay humble and natural like the grass glow. Economica, my aura has a black glow. Every night time and moon prove you need that to go. Led by at the crossroads, tic-tac-toe. Close it can't be open, what we open can't close. The same thumb, sanctorum, most won't get that close. There's nothing but smoke under my black cloak.
I haven't written anything in a minute. My best thoughts lie in my lowest moments. A deep pot over with ominous omens. Harmonious rhyme schemes about as bright as a high beam. I'm walking a tightrope and running a rat race, becoming the last place. Can tell you what that feels. The epitome of a congratulatory ribbon. Still a spit sick and
some and then some. Isolated niggas second to none. Wandering looking for purpose. I'm lost, I know that for certain. Now take a look behind the curtain. More than easy, yeah, I never beat the odds. I do believe in God. I've been around the block. I took a couple steps, I couldn't keep the pace. Water my post-traumatic rant, that's just manic depression. Can't pull myself out of this hole that I was fucking left in. My mind's a landfill of landmines. Watch where you step in. Wishing that sanity would intervene to fucking step in. You know, like pull me back when I'm regressing. 27 years old, I still make the same mistakes as an adolescent. I'm brain dead at the time, I'm just a convalescent. Coughing and stressing from the pressure, about to light the essence. I live in hell, it's hard to tell, this weed is heaven sent it. So fuck Alexa, bro, this indica's antidepressant. Non-selective, narcoleptic, narcissistic, non-objective. Been subjected to the old convictions, fucking intervention. Interjecting with some interesting introspective thoughts that I think aloud, you think them too. I'm heaven bound and demon proof, must have been something in that water I was baptized in. I feel more than fatigued, I feel more than a free restitution on my final ride. Like why the fuck you keep adjusting my seats? I'm well aware the cause of speech become reality. Reaction to our energy is significant in the scheme. A dirty soul with rotten knees, the outcome ain't clean. Negative pessimistic shit is sick as HIV. Can have you on your deathbed with cold sheets and no pillow. Silly posturepedic, trying to fix your posture for you posthumous. A pot report to meet the Lord. The list of sins you're paying for is more than you can afford. But hopefully the passion's green and it's everything they described to us. Books written by men with sins, I hope they didn't lie to us. Rest easy.
Nearly breaking a sweat.
Like a satellite through my blue double terminated appetite. Twins, emotions and heart's devotion with the malachite. Electrify, magnetize with the magnetite off the chain. Renew my brain, magnetite. Energize the love, protect the aura with the hematite. Talk to angels with the feminite and headlight. Petrified wood could take us to the highest heights. Balance all chakras with the blue kyanite. It floats kinda light, we blew the dynamite. I annihilate beings like selenite. Crown chakra, third eye sight with tanzanite. Minnesota pipe, stone chief, pastor pipe. At peace, we communicate easy with azurite. Smoking THC crystals, get stoned on edibles. Collecting all types of gemstones and minerals. Green is all I need, aventurine, jade and emerald. Shungite water is a medical miracle. Full of rings, renew my body like Wolverine. Pink and green, tourmaline, keep my heart pure and clean. Aquamarine opens the stream between